What's up, guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. To kick off this channel, we're going to be giving away a Ramset Triggershot. That's the tool you see here, and the tool you're going to be seeing used in the video, to one of our first 100 subscribers. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video for the full details on how to win this Ramset Triggershot. Thanks for watching, guys. This is the Ramset Triggershot. And this tool is used for fastening 2x down to concrete. Say you're finishing your basement, so once you get your wall lifted, you'll need to secure it to the concrete floor, and that's what this tool is for. Saves a lot of time rather than drilling through concrete and driving nails in manually. This does it all in one shot. So you can see it. These are the cartridges. They're 22 cal, and they come in all different strengths, 1 through 5. So the ones that they sell mostly in the stores is a 4. So that's, you know, for something like this, driving into a concrete floor, a 4 is plenty powerful enough. And then Ramset also makes the special nails that go inside, and I'll show you how to seat these properly, and also how to seat this cartridge, and then what it looks like when you fire it off. Just remember, always wear hearing, especially hearing protection when you're using this tool, and also eye protection, because there's always the chance that wood could splinter up or concrete could come up and hit you in the eye. So always make sure you're wearing hearing and eye protection when you're doing this, and also a set of gloves wouldn't hurt. But all right, guys, we'll get into how it works. Load your nail in. Put your nail in just like this, and put this little plastic piece, wedge that in so that it's flush, so that this washer is flush with the barrel. And take one of your cartridges, and you're going to load this in just like you would a little bullet. Put it in to the barrel like this, and make sure that this is seated. Sometimes you have to pull back on this barrel just a little bit to get the cartridge in there flush. You want that completely flush inside there. And then all you do, pull that back. And then when you're actually going to use it, you're going to want to press down hard all the way, and then pull the trigger. So I'll show you what that looks like. Press down hard. And then you can see that it drives the nail in flush. Sometimes if it hits, you know, a little rock or something in the concrete, it won't drive it flush, but it most of the time gets them in there pretty good. But yeah, guys, that's about it. The Ramset Triggershot. I'll include a link in the description of where you can pick them up, but you can get them at Home Depot, Amazon, pretty much anywhere that sells tools has these. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Have a good day. All right, guys, so to win the Ramset Triggershot, all you have to do is subscribe, comment below the word trigger, and once I hit 100 subscribers, I'll be shipping one of these directly to your house. I'll reach out to you, and we'll set up some sort of arrangement to get this out to you. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.